Hello people, hope you are good. Today we want to talk about lies. In Igbo language they call it okwasi, lies. Another word for lies is falsehood, when something is not true or untrue. These lies can be committed by your words, in your thoughts, and by your actions. All lies are the same, none is bigger than the other. Now, may interest you to know that lies is the worst sin ever recorded on earth. A lot of people don't recognize lies as lie. Some have seen it as part of life. Some see it as smartness, a way of being smart. And the worst of the lie is when you lie to yourself, or when you lie that you're not a liar. Lie leads to deceit. According to the Hebrew word, they say it begins deceit. Now, I'm going to give you some instances in the Bible. In Genesis, we are told that Abraham lied. His son Isaac lied. Jacob lied. Lie is something that lives in every man, 100% on earth. Nobody is exempted from lie, except through the grace of our Lord Jesus, who was slain on the cross. It's through that grace that one can be exempted from lies. Now, there are types of lies. If you don't know, let me bring it to your notice. We know we have the untrue statements, which everyone sees as lie, right? When you're not saying the truth. We have the fabricated lies, the fabricated written records, the fabricated statements. When you write something that is not true, when you write how old you are not, when you are 40 and you write you're 25, when you come to work by 7:20 and you report that you were at work by 6:30, that is fabricated lie. Then another type of lie is lie said by exaggeration. When you're trying to make your statements look very interesting and catchy, you want your discussion to be a mind-blowing one, and you begin to frame up. It is lie. It is from that exaggeration that we form fictions and folktales. So some stories that we tell our children today are as products of lies. Another type of lie is the lie that you show, which is in form of pretense. Yes, pretense. When you act like you don't know that something happened, is lies. Posing to be an angel when he's a human beast. We have lie by first impression. In the eyes of the Almighty, all liars are the same. Lies told can be intentional and unintentional. Unintentional, when someone tells a lie at the face of danger. So now, look at it, my dear Christians, brothers, friends. Can you see where you fall in? You might not be telling the untrue statements, but how about what you're writing? When you write that you've covered, or you made a report covering 20 regions when you did it at the comfort of your house, covering no place. When you pretend to have given when you have not given. When you pretend to not know about something, an incident, and when you're asked, you claim won't. That is all lies. So lie is a very, very serious thing. Second to it is have anger and all that. We have other sins. We have the fornication, adultery, murder, and all that. But this very one, it looks small, insignificant, that people look down on. Lies is the greatest. Lies is the chief of all sins. Lies connects all the sins. Lies covers adultery, covers murder, covers stealing, covers all of them. And the father of liars is the devil himself. Mind you that it says all liars, according to the book of Revelation, it says all liars have their place in the lake of fire. So if you're a Christian, you go to church and your church leader is not telling you that lie is a sin that you should stop this from lying, then know that it's high time you change your church. If your mother or father is not telling the truth, my dear, go back to the throne of grace. The only person that can make you escape from lie is our Lord Jesus Christ. If he comes today and he finds you lying, will you be taken? Will he take you with him? So I want to remind us to know that lies that we look down on is the most dangerous sin that brings the fall of man. Lies is the most dangerous sin. When you lie to yourself, when you lie to God and lie to your maker. Some people lie in their prayers. When you lie, when you pretend to have forgotten, or when you act as you didn't see, you say on things that are not true, and you write things as they are not. They did not happen. They are all lies. Now, what is the consequences for lying? The consequences of lying is death, eternal death. Then what's the way out? This lies is something that is found in you and I. Nobody is free from it. But there is a way of escape, and that is by reconciling with our Lord Jesus Christ, who came as a mediator to save you and I. So when you reconcile with Jesus, he will purge your tongue from lying and give you the heart of love and truth. Let us go back, reflect within us, and begin to reconsider and tell ourselves the truth, begin to follow the path of truth, begin to tell the words of truth, begin to write things as they are, stop fabricating words, stop fabricating your reports, stop fabricating things about you. Okay? Please know that rapture will soon take place and the coming of our Lord Jesus is at hand. Okay? I wouldn't want you, my followers, viewers, loved ones, friends, to be left out. Okay? Please desist from lying, flee from it. Okay? Resist lies and every form of it. Okay? I love you guys. Please think about what I told you. Desist from lying, resist it so it will be far from you. Okay? Thank you and God bless you.